We're continuing up through the Sawtooth Wilderness to Stanley, Idaho and the Redfish Lake area. This marks day 8 of the van trip, but we're restocked and ready to go from our stop in Sun Valley. We're Kristen, Jameson, and Maddie. We live in our motorhome full-time, and we vacation in our camper van. We're excited to take you with us. The smoke from the West Coast fires was pretty bad and limited our visibility, but the air quality on the ground was okay, and we spent lots of time outside and exploring. What are we doing, Jay?
Trying to find the river. Not really a clear trail. Maybe this way. Yep. There it is.
Do it. We found a sweet riverside campsite at the Iron Creek Campground, and we were greeted with a pretty epic sunset shortly after we pulled in. The next day, we headed to Redfish Lake. The weather was threatening rain on and off all day, but this was our only day to go explore the other side of the lake, so we made a go for it. The Redfish Lake Marina runs a small shuttle boat across the lake on demand and picks up only at certain times, so you need to plan your adventure around that schedule. Good afternoon from Redfish Lake. We just took the marina boat across and we are now 5.5 miles back to the car, or we can hike from here further out and take the boat back, which is what I think we're gonna do. The weather has been really in and out all day. I'm sure you can tell it's like a mix of smoke and clouds, and rain. So we've got rain jackets packed and we're gonna go on a little hike and kind of hope for the best.
See what we find.
All right, come on. Ready, Mads?
Yep.
Redfish Inlet Trailhead. We hiked from the Redfish Inlet Trailhead and headed for the maximum elevation gain and views in the shortest amount of time because we had less than 2 hours before we had to catch the boat back.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's 2:05 right now, so we got like 5 to 10 minutes before we have to start aggressively
Jogging back to catch the bus.
It's just, they say at 3, you need to be there at 3.
Yeah. Through to the underside over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you could crawl through if you didn't think you might break a rib. It's literally off the ground.
Look at that storm front down there now.
Yeah, it just keeps piling up. The back of the lake. We are hustling back to the boat ramp to catch the shuttle back to Redfish Lodge, and we might have gone a little bit too far, so we're going as fast as we can. Where are we going after this, Jay?
I don't know, we'll make a push for West Yellowstone. I wanted Craters of the Moon, but I think we'll get that on the next trip next summer. So maybe just somewhere for a short overnight so we can get into West Yellowstone pretty early. It's kind of a far drive from here.
Yeah, it's about 5 hours from Stanley to West Yellowstone, and we had originally thought we were going to split it up into 2 days of driving with an overnight near Craters of the Moon, but we kind of messed up our schedule and really liked it here and stayed an extra day. So yeah, you think just maybe like a roadside overnight?
Yeah, Stanley was definitely really cute. Like the dirt roads, the all wood slat buildings. I like it a lot. I want to come back.
Yeah, we've had a little bit of iffy weather here at Redfish Lake today, but nonetheless, it is so beautiful, and we really can't ask for a better day as far as the crowds go. We were the only ones on the boat on the way over, and we've had these moments of sunshine. So we've seen 3 backpackers on the trail today, but that's it, no other day hikers like us. So it's been pretty quiet. It's the shoulder season in this part of Idaho.
Yep.
So off to West Yellowstone. Hopefully we catch the boat.